looking at 80s for the start of our week tomorrow. That's going to be absolutely incredible for us. Most of us right now seeing those sunny skies. It's just been an absolutely beautiful day, and it's actually feeling colder than it was yesterday. We're in the 70s right now, some of us in the high 60s, and you can see that here. 69 in Chickasha, most of us feeling 70, so it's feeling pretty nice out there. And you can see that it's pretty clear. That's because all of those clouds have moved off towards our east with that cold front there. We're seeing this high pressure system, that clockwise rotation there. That's what's keeping us on the warm side, and you can see that sitting over our area. And this cold front is actually making some thunderstorms for the east coast, but we're going to stay pretty dry. So tomorrow morning it's going to be pretty cool in the morning, but we'll warm up very quickly into the 80s. It'll be very windy though, so we'll be feeling those wind gusts. Our next big thing is going to be that fire danger for tomorrow. That's because we have very low relative humidity values. It's going to be very dry, and we'll have very gusty winds. So our main threats with this are going to be grass fires. This is due to a large ridge sitting over almost all of the country, the desert southwest feeling very hot. And we're going to have those warm temperatures as well. So we do have critical fire danger in some areas. We're looking at a fire weather watch in effect tomorrow. This is until 8 tomorrow night for most of our northern counties there, our northwestern counties. And we also have a wind advisory for those northern counties where we're going to see gusts of up to 45 miles per hour. So you're not going to want to burn tomorrow, because anything tomorrow that catches on fire is going to be very hard to control. We have critical fire danger for our western counties. Out here, just don't do anything that's going to catch on fire. And we have elevated for the middle parts of our region. So anything that you do tomorrow outdoors, maybe you want to grill because it will be a nice day, just be very careful. We have those high wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. You can see there it's just going to be a really windy day and very dry. Those relative humidity values in the teens or lower as you go farther down. So you can see how that could be a recipe for disaster. Wednesday also going to be very dry, as well as Thursday. So if we take a look at this week, we're just going to have pretty elevated fire conditions all week long. We have near critical tomorrow, elevated for the rest of the week, and then Friday we're seeing near critical fire danger as well. Again, just don't burn anything. Make sure you're being very careful out there, because we could see grass fires. We're still pretty dormant out there. Even though stuff is coming to life, it's still pretty dry. Next rain chances, we have a trough moving in on Wednesday. This could bring us some pop-up showers Tuesday night into Wednesday. I'm thinking we're not going to get pretty wet with this. Mainly could see some isolated showers in the southeast, but even these I'm thinking are just going to be a couple sprinkles. You can see we aren't even detecting anything here on our future track. So if you do see anything, it's not going to be significant, and we'll dry out until Friday. We could see some showers in the northern part of our area, but I'm thinking those two are not going to be giving us any relief from this warm weather. You can see we have this small shortwave trough. That's when you can see that little dip in the line there. That's what's going to give us our rain chance Friday night into Saturday. And that's why I don't think this is a very big rain chance, because this is not going to be a significant weather maker. And then this is the good news. It looks like we'll have a warm weekend ahead for our holiday weekend. It should be beautiful. So for our highs tomorrow, in the 80s for most of us in southern Oklahoma, and 91 in Graham. It's just going to be a warm day, and our lows tonight in the 40s. And you can see that we'll also be in the 50s for north of Texas. In our 7-day forecast showing, we just have a pretty moderate week. We could see some cloud coverage, but we're going to be in warm temperatures for the rest of the week.